Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I'm going to get into for you guys is we're going to be discussing a dunk low coming up soon, and this pair I actually am a big fan of. I like how this one looks in hand, and I did overpay for this one definitely, but it's no big deal. I just want to make the video right here that's kind of the more important part of this, and we're going to get into discussing the Argon dunk lows. So I hope you guys will enjoy. If you want more content like this, subscribe and like down below, and hey, make sure you guys go join my cook group of restocking today. If you're not in yet, go get in. We can teach you beginner resellers, all those people, about the basics. It'll be right there in the description. And if you go join the cook group today, you're going to be eligible for the Jackie Robinson giveaway. We're choosing the winner for that tomorrow. So if someone's going to win a free pair of Jackie Robinsons, don't sleep on that. So go check that out down below. And you can get in the wait list on the website too. If you don't want to join immediately, you can get in the wait list and we may let you in through there. It's up to you, but we'd like to see you guys join. So that's everything I need to say. And you can cook more pairs like this. So hope you all will enjoy, and let's get started. So getting into the Argon Dunk Low, I actually have a very small size right here. I have a size 6, as you guys can see, and this came from early access. I just happened to buy it off somebody who got EA, and market used to be higher on the 6s, but I'll just hold this or something, you know. I'll try and figure out what I end up doing with this. I'm not too sure right now at the moment, but I definitely think some progress can be made on this dunk low because it's a very nice pair, and of course this is a smaller size, a size 6, so kind of like a base size. I feel like a lot of people may potentially be interested in this one for that, you know, maybe getting their lady friend or someone, you know, like that, this shoe down the line, maybe their younger brother, younger sister, whatever it is. So that's why I like this pair, just because I see the colorway kind of in it. Also, I like the, you know, comparison and contrast of blues that we got going on here. You got a very dark blue, but you also got kind of a lighter blue going on, and they both kind of contrast and go together on the sneaker, along with the white, you know, the white laces, kind of the white spot by the tongue right here. Of course, the white tongue tag, which also kind of has that lighter blue on it, which matches with this lighter blue, and then you also have the white in the sneaker, which kind of goes right around here, around the midsole section, by the heel. Also, as you guys can see, by the heel you also have that, but you can see the white kind of goes really well with the sole as well, kind of like that UNC type color sole, I guess you could say. It looks pretty similar to like a UNC type colorway, you know, when you do this. I would say it is, but overall it's a nice pair, and I just don't want y'all sleeping on this one coming down the line because there's a lot of potential in it. If you go remember the dark marina blues, this had a similar color scheme where it was like one color on the inside then one color on the outside. If I'm right, I could be wrong on that. So it kind of reminds me of that a little bit, and I just see potential. I do see potential on this one because I think there is a lot of life left on this one. There's a drop still left to happen, and I know people like this one. I've seen people that say they rock with the colorway. I know some people that haven't. Trust me, I know some people that don't, but I've seen a lot more love for the sneaker, and it is a higher retail, 120, so that's something to keep in mind. You do have to pay up a little bit for this one, but there's the insole also, that dark kind of blue Nike swoosh on the light insole color, and of course the lighter portion. The whole sneaker is kind of, you know, that light colorway, but overall it looks like it would be pretty comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, I would rock these. I wish these were my size. I would definitely toe them, but they are not my size. I'm not a size 6, so I can't rock these. But I think the white laces fit, you know, with kind of the whole theme of the sneaker. I don't think they have another. Yeah, they don't have another, you know, set of laces or another. Or wait, yeah, they do. They got another set of. I think they might. Let me check this pair right here. No other set of laces. But you only got white laces right here. But still, again, I think that fits really well on the sneaker, kind of with this theme in the darker kind of colorway by the toe box here. That dark blue fits really well with the light blue kind of around there, and I like it. Like, you see how this one would look on foot? It's just one you could wear in the summer, winter, wherever, and all the blues fit together, which is the really nice point. And again, I really love how that light blue kind of contrasts around the dark blue in the toe box, and then you kind of got the white and blue here. It looks really good. It looks like it would be easy, simple to wear, any type of theme, anytime you could wear it. I mean, shoot, I could rock it, you know, with this jacket right here. It would work great. And also, you can't forget that they made the tongue, you know, they kind of got that white tongue tag on it, but they made it dark blue for the tongue that kind of goes, and you can see the white laces kind of stack on top of like the dark blue tongue, which I think looks really nice. It's a great contrast, and you know, I just wouldn't sleep on this one. There's a lot of potential on it, and I think it's a great sneaker overall. I love how this one looks, and just don't forget, coming in October, because these definitely have some potential. I might buy a couple sizes just to hold. I like these. I like the patent Halloweens. We have a lot of really good and easy to wear dunk lows coming soon, and I just don't want y'all to miss out on maybe a potentially very good opportunity here if you're interested in holding, or if you're just someone that, you know, likes dunks for the personal collection, then hey, here's another great one to wear. And here's like kind of the inside of the sneaker. You can see it matches the outside portion as well, inside and outside. You got that light blue and then also kind of that dark blue on the inside right there. It's same on both the sneakers, no different details. I've already showed you all the heel. This isn't embroidered. I didn't really show this really quick, but this is not embroidered, just so I can mention this to you guys. It's just kind of like pressed on, kind of like a, you know, normal kind of leather material. material, not real leather, you know, kind of that fake Nike leather, but yeah, that's just kind of right here on the heel. It's not embroidery, so just keep that in mind. But I love that they kept you know, a darker color right here for the Nike logo, so it just contrasts on the white. I always like when they do this. If it kind of been like a light blue, I don't feel like it would have fit as well, because you got the dark blue right here by the heel also, so it just kind of matches with that. It could have matched with this, but I think it's better with this overall. So that's just why I like this Dunk Low. A lot of wearability, a lot of color contrasting that actually looks really good, and that's why the sneaker's kind of, you know, important to me, because I feel like there's a lot coming up with it, and I don't want y'all missing out on this. Small sizes, big sizes, whatever it is, coming in October. Very wearable Dunk Low colorway. So that's a reason I wouldn't miss this one, just because of how it looks and how I feel like, you know, the ladies and guys are going to be feeling about this one. I feel like, you know, around drop day, these are going to be hard to cop, most definitely. So just don't miss out on this one for that fact. And again, my favorite part of the sneaker, if I had to say it right now, would be the overall contrasting between the light blue and dark blue. The light blue and dark blue and how this fits on the sneaker really makes it for me. That's why I like this one. And by the way, you shouldn't hear any background noise. If you do, my bad. Just my roommates are talking kind of loud, but hey, I live in a shared household. That's how it is. But yeah, that's everything I need to say. I hope you guys did enjoy this Argon Dunk Low review. Kind of an early review, not really, but just kind of like exclusive access pair, showing you all the details of it, how the light blue and dark blue fits in hand, and really how wearable of a colorway this is. So if you're looking to cop more sneakers like this from exclusive access, get more sneakers for resale, get more sneakers for your personal collection, and just learn the basics of the resale game, go check out my quick group, me and Drew's, down below, Hype Labs. Go show some love, man. Drew's always doing so much for the group, so make sure you guys are always showing some appreciation to him. He works very hard for you guys. So that's all that needs to be said and mentioned. I appreciate you all, and yeah, go join us down below. Our restock today, and don't forget about that Jackie Robinson Dunk Low giveaway. If you're a member, you can participate. So that's it. Love this one. Going to be needing it for the personal collection, maybe. Just very wearable. That's why I like this one. But I feel like market definitely is going to rise slightly once the US release for sneakers happens. But we will see. Overall, depends on how many pairs, all that. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video, next unboxing soon. Peace.
Made a fucking hit.